I'm just a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world below. There's no sickness, no toil, no danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my father, all my loved ones who've gone on. I'm just going over Jordan, I'm just going over. I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way is hard and steep, but beauteous fields arise before me, where God's redeemed their vigils keep. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come home. I'm just going over Jordan, I'm just going over. Just going over Jordan, I'm just going over. Well, hi there pluckers, I've Saw Fingers again with something slightly different for you. It's an old song from Johnny Cash called Wayfaring Stranger. The song's been covered by multiple artists, but this is based on the Johnny Cash version, okay? Standard tuning, no capos, doing the same key as Johnny Cash did it in, okay? So let's get to it. So the introduction starts off with this lead into an A minor chord. So what I'm playing there is an open A string up to the 3rd fret on the A string, and then a hammer, open 4th to 2nd, and you bring in the A minor on that 4th string, open 4th to 2nd as you put the A minor down. Okay, so it's. Then we play the bass, bottom E string, bass string and strum, so it's. Then we play the A string, E string, right? Right, so when you've done the A string, so it goes, right, at that point we play the 2nd riff, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th, 3rd on the 5th, open 5th, and then you're back into A minor again. Right, so it's. And just all this is like A string, strum, bottom E string, strum. There's a lot of that going on, okay? And on the D minor, when we go to D minor, it's like D string, strum, A string, strum. Okay, got the idea? Alright, from the beginning. Alright, next riff. That's an open A string, hammering up to the 3rd fret, 2nd on the 4th, open 4th D minor, A string. Okay, got that? So it's D string, strum D minor, A string, strum D minor, and then we're going into this next bit, which is okay. So let's just go to the end of it. Let's get to the D minor bit from the beginning. This E bit is basically an E chord, strumming down from the 5th string onwards really. So you do that once, 5 downwards on the E chord, then lift off the 3rd finger to open up the 4th string to make an E7, strum it again, so it's okay, 5 downwards, okay. Then you play the 3rd on the 5th, so it's finally you do a bend on the bottom E string, whichever finger is more comfortable for you. Just a very slight bend on that 3rd on the bottom E string. Open A string, A minor. Bottom E string, A minor, stop. Okay, so the whole intro, very slowly. Okay, then we're into the song. Just into A minor, which is that A string strum, E string strum. Okay, I'm just a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling D minor, D string strum, A string strum, through this world. Back to A minor, below A string, E string. There's no sickness, no toil, no danger in that D minor bright. Now we go to an E chord, land which now play the bottom E string strum and then the 5th string strum on the E. So it's E string, bottom E string, strum the E chord, then the 5th string, 2nd fret, strum the E chord. Okay, so D minor. Now bright land to which I, back to the A minor strum again, go. Then we're into the middle bit, okay, what we call a bridge section if you like. Okay, so from the beginning, okay, up to the end of the 1st verse. Just a poor wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world below. There's no sickness, no toil, no danger in that bright land to which I go. And then it goes into this next section. I'm going there. Right, so it's with the bright land to which I go. I'm going there. I'm going into an F chord. Now I'm playing a 4-fingered F. Okay, so it's an F, normal simple F with the 3rd finger up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret. And pinky taking over on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and we're going on the F chord, we're doing 4th string strum, 5th string strum. Okay, so it goes land which way I go, I'm going there, Father. Now Father is a C with G in the bass, so normal C chord, but this third finger goes up to the bottom E string on the third fret, and pinky takes over 5th string on the 3rd fret, and again that's 5th string, 6th string. Okay, so on the F it's this 4-fingered F, and you play 4th string strum, 5th string strum, and then you go to the C with G in the bass, and you go 5th string strum, 6th string strum. Okay, got that? So where are we? I'm going there to see my Father. Back to F. All my loved ones who've gone. An E chord on, and then an E7. So it's an E chord for 2 beats, and then an E7 to take your 3rd finger off, open 4th string for 2. Okay, so coming out of that first verse where it goes in, bright land to which I go, I'm going there to see my Father. All the loved ones who've gone on, I'm just A minor going over Jordan. I'm just D minor going for 1, and then E for 1 over, that's a bottom E string strum, 5th string strum. So I'm just going over A minor, home, stop, and then I played the intro again. Now comes another verse, exactly the same as the first one with different words. I know dark clouds will gather round me. I know my way is hard and steep, but beauteous fields arise before me, where God's redeemed their vigils keep. Middle bit. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. And there we have it, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry the phone's ringing, gotta go. Bye for now.